We're here today to celebrate another incredible milestone for MTS as we transition to our zero-emission bus fleet. We're here today to talk about the future of our rapid bus route and how MTS will be the first transit agency in North America to build this type of overhead electric bus charging system. This gives us the capability to be able to charge up to 24 buses simultaneously. It makes us more efficient, it makes us greener, it makes us cleaner, and it continues a long tradition of MTS being a world-class transit agency with incredible partners who come together to do incredible work. Before we start, I want to introduce a few of the guests we have with us today. A few of them you're going to hear from here in a minute, but let's welcome Jill Galvez, Chula Vista City Council member from District 2 and MTS Board. Paloma Aguirre, Imperial Beach Council member, MTS Board member. Gretchen Newsom, Political Director for IBW 569. Miguel Romero, VP Energy Innovation, SDG&E. Sharon Cooney, the CEO of MTS, our fearless leader. Mike Wygand, MTS Bus Chief Operating Officer. And a special thank you to MTS and TransDev, our bus operators, our mechanics, all of the workers who actually make our transit system work. We thank you all for being here. We thank you for all the work that you do. We appreciate you all. The two buses behind me tell the story of the future of MTS bus operations. On one side, we have a zero-emission battery electric bus. We've been testing 13 of these buses throughout our system over the last couple of years, and by 2040, all MTS buses will operate on this clean zero-emission technology. And then we have our rapid bus. It operates on MTS's network of high-frequency, limited-stop routes. They are high capacity, high performing, and offer added comfort and convenience for our passengers. Later this year, we will be combining these two buses into one. 12 new all-electric, articulated 60-foot rapid buses will arrive in October. We will take all the elements that the riders enjoy in our rapid system and make it better by making it battery-powered electric, and that is the future of our bus fleet. They will operate on our new Iris route along one of the most popular corridors in MTS service territory between Imperial Beach and Otay Mesa. Building and delivering the Iris rapid buses is incredibly important. But as we continue to expand our zero-emission fleet, we need the infrastructure to make sure we can charge the operations. And that is what we are here to celebrate, the start of construction of our first electric bus charging system with the overhead components at MTS. This represents the first transit agency in North America to build this type of infrastructure. We should applaud that. This overhead system allows us to maximize our land use, keep as many buses as possible out on the system serving passengers, and creates efficient operation and maintenance system for our mechanics and drivers. With the new Iris Rapid buses and the new charging infrastructure, we are taking a significant leap forward for environmental justice, for sustainability, for air quality, and for being a national leader. There have been many milestones for MTS along the road to a cleaner fleet and a brighter future with less particulate matter, reduced NOx emissions, and healthier communities. In December of 2019, we launched our zero-emission bus pilot program, one of the first in the state to do so. In October 2020, we adopted a transition plan to completely eliminate tailpipe emissions and convert our entire fleet to zero emissions. And last year, we retired the last diesel bus in the MTS fleet, turning the page to a cleaner and more eco-friendly future. Doing great things means being on the cutting edge. The same cutting edge in 1981 when MTS introduced the first modern light rail system in North America, the all-electric San Diego trolley. And here we are again with amazing charging infrastructure, another first in the nation that will take our system to new heights. But we cannot achieve these goals on our own. We have incredible partners, and you're going to hear from a few of them. I'm also fortunate as chair of the board to have an incredible board. We have MTS board members who care about our agency, they care about our workers, they care about our communities, and they really bring a level of engagement and involvement that helps our agency perform